Well, what's up everybody? Sean here in the middle of a video, and this is just a quick recap. We've actually accomplished quite a bit on the ATS-V, and before I go much further, I gotta get this off of my chest. I love this car. Why would anyone, who I'm gonna hurt some feelings, buy a BMW M3 when this is in the class as well? I only wish you could get more of them in a manual. This thing, we have put paint protection film on it. We ripped off the satin vinyl that was on it, put gloss vinyl back, and I think huge improvement. Now it's the subtle things that are left that are gonna make the biggest difference in the overall appearance of this car. The color is epic, but what we're about to do is change the badges, change the calipers, tint some lights, and give it that special Empire custom touch. Stick around and see what she looks like when she's done.